Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not miss any update.
Do you want to know what makes Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group the number one Packers and Movers brand in the country? Do you wish to move your belongings to your new home and need to understand why to choose only the best? The secret lies in the integrity of the company, the integrity and goodwill built around the expectations of the client. Like we always say, we don't shift just homes, we shift emotion. Our brand's research and analysis team has focused over the years to make the shifting process easier and safer. We start with the basics, which is ensuring Agarwal grade quality in all our packing material. Let's face it, the raw material used to pack your belongings plays a pivotal role in making sure all your belongings reach their destination safe and sound. We have worked for decades to perfect our bubble wraps, air sheets, cardboard sheets, cardboard corners, our wooden frames for electronics and glass items, the TV box, and other packing material used in the process. Quality packing material is the key in making our empire for what it stands for today. Our process starts with an in-house inspection made on every packing material delivery.
We have quality packing material. Material की बात करोगे, which includes vehicle, which includes packing material, which include anything related to material which customer needs for shifting. Quality of corrugate sheet, quality of boxes, quality of bubble sheet, quality of thermocol, everything plays a major role because छोटी चीज़ें बहुत important है. अब बबल शीट ऑर्डिनरी भी आता है जिसमें कुशन नहीं मिलता है, तो अच्छे कुशन वाले बबल शीट लगते हैं, मोटे थर्माकोल लगते हैं, तो दिस ऑल प्लेज अ वेरी मेजर रोल. तो वी फोकस ऑन quality, which is very important in our industry.
Hyderabad warehouse from where all the material is transported to over 100 branches. Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group, the shifting experts. Call at 93601 to know more or visit us at our official website www.agarwalpackers.in.